Oregon's stay-home order tossed out by a rural county judge today, making mandated closures of businesses, schools, and churches null and void, at least for now. The injunction on Governor Kate Brown's executive orders came down this morning in Baker County. We have full team coverage on this issue tonight, including reaction from some local businesses. First, we go to Fox 12's Camilla Ortiz with a breakdown of what all of this means. Camilla?
Well, Pete, the decision from the Baker County Circuit Court judge has implications for all of Oregon. But like you mentioned, those implications could be short-lived. Until we hear from the state Supreme Court, though, Governor Brown's closure orders cannot be enforced. What started as a case about religious freedom could now impact every business, school, and church in the state of Oregon. This injunction, signed by Baker County Judge Matthew Shurtleff, means Governor Kate Brown's Stay Home Save Lives order forbidding gatherings and closing down businesses has expired.
The language of that statute is precise, and the judge recognized and agreed with our argument that that 28-day time limit applies.
Attorney Kevin Mannix says without convening the legislature, the governor doesn't have the power to extend that time. Mannix initially filed this case for 10 churches who argued they have the constitutional right to gather. He claims Governor Brown issued her emergency order under statutes with limitations, including a law that hasn't been updated for decades.
Nowhere in that 1949 law is there any reference to a public health emergency. When you read it, it's about storms, floods, forest fires.
But the governor's office disagrees, saying in a defense motion that the plaintiffs misread the statutes. The governor has already appealed to the state Supreme Court. She said in a statement, quote, "It is irresponsible to dismiss the health risks and science behind our measures to stop COVID-19, adding that the state could be faced with another mass outbreak. And in the state's appeal to the Supreme Court filed this afternoon, the attorneys mentioned the situation in Wisconsin, where the Supreme Court struck down the governor's stay-home order there, leading to packed bars and restaurants. Governor Brown's office wants the court to issue a stay, which would basically pause the effects of the ruling to prevent, quote, chaos from being unleashed here. Reporting live in Wilsonville, Camilla Ortiz, Fox 12 Oregon.